Hello and welcome to the Chalet at Tetherow, which is perched right on the rim on Outrider Loop here in Tetherow in Bend, Oregon. Carefully crafted by Woodhill Homes, they provide a mountain modern design and luxury amenities. Let's go inside and have a look. As you first enter these townhomes, you're immediately greeted by the wonderful mix of architecture and materials, including this wood accent wall, the warmth of the floors, the modern lighting, and the ambiance around. Each of these 12 townhomes are reverse living, and so they have 2 suites on the ground floor with walk-in closets, large bathrooms, and floor-to-ceiling windows. The second floor of these townhomes is where all the action is, with this giant great room, soaring ceilings, floor-to-ceiling hearth that surrounds the fireplace, and slider door that opens entirely to the back deck. These kitchens were built for entertaining, either after skiing or before a mountain bike ride. There's plenty of space, a nice large island, built-in appliances, and a pantry right to the side. All of the primary suites for these townhomes are located up here on the second floor on the south side with plenty of natural light and floor-to-ceiling windows. They each have walk-in closets, fantastic bathrooms with a soaker tub, walk-in shower, and vanity. And it all comes down to this, the indoor-outdoor living of these back decks that overlooks the Tetherow landscape and all the amenities beyond. These truly are homes you have to come to see, to appreciate, and we invite you to have a look.